Why structure engineer is a great career option. Structural engineering is one of the very important subdomains of civil engineering, and is considered a specialized branch. While construction engineers may design roads, tunnels, dams and bridges, a structure engineer ensures that certain building components such as beams, foundations, columns and floors are in good condition. Building engineering is the science and art of designing buildings so that they can safely withstand the forces they can be relied upon. Civil engineers are an integral part of the construction and construction team, working with community engineers, architects, and other construction professionals. Civil engineers design buildings such as bridges, structures, pipelines, and foundations to ensure they could withstand the weight, pressure, and resistance to earthquakes. For example, when buildings are constructed, it is very important that the building structure is designed to remain stable under a variety of local conditions that may include strong winds, earthquakes, and variations in the type of land on which they are built. Civil engineers help in designing buildings including houses, theaters, hospitals, office blocks, bridges, oil trucks, space satellites, ships, and airports. Civil engineers design buildings to withstand the pressures exerted on them by natural disasters, climate change, and human activity. Structure engineer educational requirements. To pursue a postgraduate structure engineering degree, one must have completed their undergraduate degree in an engineering discipline, civil engineering, preferably with an aggregate mark of 60% and above. What does a structural engineer do? A building engineer provides essential services during planning, from basic design to construction design to production planning and production monitoring. They are construction specialists who specialize in arithmetic, for example, the precise determination of the amount needed to reinforce concrete, slide concrete. A civil engineer works closely with architects. Therefore, they are always aware of what is happening on the construction site. They are essential for any type of construction and ensure that the material has a healthy foundation that will last a long time. Building engineer statistics are included in the building plans of building engineers and architects. Civil engineering operates within the field of civil engineering. Most building engineers are civil engineers, but these are better acquainted with the requirements for specialized building materials, such as buildings. In some U.S. states, they require a separate license. A house in Canada must have a roof that can carry the weight of heavy snow, and a stadium in California must be able to withstand earthquakes, for example. When designing bridges, designers should consider various like terrain, water, wind, road volume, etc. Building engineers design roofs, beams, joists and trusses, floor fences, floor joints, beams, spears, belts, porches, columns, beams, frames, walls, and foundations according to the national and local standards. Structural engineering versus architecture. Structural engineering. Building engineers design projects such as buildings, bridges, dams, etc. While most of their duties are office-based, but they are also required to visit construction sites for technical query support and to ensure that construction was completed smoothly. Some projects require practical problem-solving or value engineering skills because there may be complex and real-time problems for the developer that they need to anticipate. Building engineers should also stay focused and well-planned to ensure that the projects they are leading remain on track and are completed within the time frame and within the allocated budget. They also need meticulous leadership skills to lead the project team, liaise with clients and contractors to complete the project in time. The responsibilities of a structure engineer include: adhere with government regulations, submitting building permits, test kits to be used in construction, ensuring the health and safety of site staff and member of the public. Architects. Architects design outdoor and indoor spaces to meet the graphical appearance that the clients are expecting or looking for, as well as safeguarding that their designs' layouts are compliant with various design codes and regulations. They use various design software to develop the design layouts, though they also use handmade sketches to quickly draw their GOTS. Architects must also grow their visualization capabilities and creative mind to develop unique and innovative design layouts that meet the client's expectations. Job responsibilities of an architect include: preparing drawings for projects, preparing project cost estimates, meetings with clients and stakeholders to discuss projects, liaise with construction teams. Professional titles for structure engineer. Professional membership and titles play a very important role in career progression. Chartered engineer, instruct, fellow, etc. are some of the well-known titles provided by professional institutions like ICT, etc. Important structure engineering software. Following are the well-known design software used in structural engineering. Autodesk AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, SAFE, ADABS, Midas, CSI Safe, SAP, CSI Bridge, RISA, Navisworks. What is the average structure engineer salary? The average salary of a fresh graduate structure engineer in the USA varies from $65,000 to $75,000, although it differs from city to city and/or company to company too. Similarly, the salary range of structure also varies from one country to other. But overall, we can surely say that it is one of the most demanding and growth-orientated sectors for newbie civil engineers. A typical day job of a structure engineer: design development, preparing or checking design calculation and project reports, designs drawings. Liaise with clients and provide technical advice and recommendation related to structural engineering projects. Apply and obtain planning approvals complying with local or national building regulations. Interdiscipline coordination like engineers, planners, and architects. Review and audit project progress on site and coordinate with contractors. Administer construction contracts. I hope the video provides you with a sound understanding of the structural engineering profession. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.